This is the window covering that I made many years ago. Then things are really old and stuff, but I just did a cheap way and stuff, and it works great. It's just fine. Okay, so it's easy to make. Basically, it's just one of these, and then another one behind it, and in between it is those politician boards that they put out with the little wire things that stick in the ground for someone when they're running for office. And so I cut all three pieces out and stuck them together. And on the back side here, it's black, so you can't see, no one can see, and it's completely dark. Because, you know, if I could tint the windows, but the problem with tinting the windows is that each state has different laws about tinting windows, and so you don't want to get in trouble, and you get with the state with that. So, okay, so here's how it looks now. So there, that's how it looked when I get ready to get out of my car. See that? I make sure that nothing looks like, oh, well, what's that? You know, let's break the window and get in there. No, there's nothing. Okay, so now remember I had the kitchen box? So now let me show you what's in the kitchen box. And I took the one out of the front too. So in this front zipper thing here, I have some gluten-free pasta for me because I can't, I have to watch the stomach because I had an issue with the stomach. And then I have a propane, and I have some chocolate almond milk, and I think I got like a little bit of, I think it's rice, maybe. No, I got some pasta there. And that's it. That's all I got in that. And then I got some garbage bags up here in the front part. So then I've got the table covers for the picnic ground. So let's put that over here. Now, I've got my camping stove in there. I've got some tea, herbal teas, and some napkins in there. I've got like a headlight if I got out of my car at night, but I'd never do that. And then I've got like a snack. I've got some more gluten-free pasta and some minute rice, because that works really fast. And then I've got my pots and pans down there. I've got a knife here on the side. That brown thing's a knife, wrapped up the side. And then this here, I have my little table set where, you know, you have your bowl and stuff like that you can eat out. And that's all I have in that. So let's put that back over there. Now, over here in this, you saw that already. Propane and the almond chocolate. And that's it. That's all I've got in that. That's all I'm taking. So what I would be doing is I will buy as I need. Now, let me show you the back part now. Now, when I get out to go into the stores, it looks like that. Now, if you shut that window down, no one's going to even know what's in there. All they're going to see, they're going to look through the window, and they're only going to see black, you know? So I think that works for me. And certainly taking out all the stuff that was underneath the trunk and stuff, extra stuff, yeah, I don't need that. That's just a headache for me to have to move around and keep up with. So basically, that's it. So what I did at that point is so simple. I just eliminated a lot of stuff to cut down on the weight and the clutter that was in the car for me. It was just too much. So hold on just a second. I'll flip the camera around. Inside, I forgot the one thing to show you inside the jockey box. Okay, so now inside the jockey box, I went through that too and eliminated a lot of stuff that I didn't need and kind of organized all the wires, you know, that I had, like, you know, for electronics and stuff like that, and just got rid of a lot of electronics. No computer, no iPad, nothing like that, just the cell phone and the M-Time machine, and that's it. I can't think of anything else, but let me show you what the jockey box looks like. Okay, so I have here my little bag. If I go inside the grocery store, then I've got a little bag that I can put my groceries in. I've got some sunglasses. I got my box with my pens for writing and stuff like that. I've got a little small tiny flashlight if I need to get out and look at a tire or something. I've got my blood pressure cup, and then I've got a little tiny bag of like jewelry, like not jewelry, but like earrings, you know, just to change so it looks better. And then I've got this little kit here I've got like a sewing repair kit, and then I've got like a little scissors and tweezers and stuff in there that, you know, for when you need that. Like sometimes your eyebrows get a little bushy, so I trim up the eyebrows of these little things and stuff. And then you cut your little chin whiskers and stuff with the tweezers and stuff. So there you go, you know. And then I've got a nice clean mask if I need it, because you know we had the fires and stuff, and so there was a lot of smoke going around. And then I got an extra pair of glasses, reading glasses, some dental floss, some perfume. What else I got? Oh, and she always rides with me, Elsa. My little granddaughter gave me that. I got a cat too that's made like from Mexico, and so she rides with me too. And then I've got this little cell phone holder, and that thing works pretty good. That was theirs, and I took it from them. I asked them could I have it, and they told me yes, because I wanted to hold my cell phone up so I could watch it and I would Netflix. And of course I've got my the meter for, you know, the carbon dioxide meter, and so that's it. I have nothing else, you know. Now as far as like the bathroom, like everything's right behind me here, and I just move the seat up all the way up, and it just gives me lots of room and stuff. Now I've never had to worry about, you know, the number 2 issue and stuff, but if that happened, you know, I've got a thing in the back. I forgot to show you that. That's because that's important too. Let me get that out and show that to you. Hold on. That was on this other side here. I don't know how I missed that. Okay. So if I had to go to the bathroom, I have these clips that holds my back window in place. So I have a little bucket there, a small bucket, and I would just line that with a bag and use the bathroom in that, and then tie it up and throw it at the garbage place stuff. And so that's it. And I've got some work gloves here if I need to do something that, you know, requires a lot of work and stuff. So there you have it. So I know that seems like to the extremes. Yeah, my husband looked at it and said, wow. Yeah, it is wild. But you know what? For me, that works better because I just don't want to deal with the clutter anymore. I really don't. And so, you know, on this camping trip, I'm going with the Prius. But when I come back, you'll get a peep at the van and how I did some different changes in the van too. I mean, the good thing is it's going to save gas, you know, money and stuff, and I don't have to worry about that. And like I said, when it comes to like going out, you know, to eat and stuff like that, I don't go out to eat anymore. Everything, it's just I eat it something really fast, like fruits and vegetables and stuff. And if I have to buy anything, I would just pop into the store and buy like a piece of chicken. You can buy just one piece of chicken in the store, you know, and then make something to go with it and stuff, instead of buying a whole chicken and have to keep in the refrigerator and stuff. I'm not doing no refrigerator. I'm not doing with all that solar system and stuff. No, that's just too complicated for me, and plus it's too much drama to keep up for me. I want to not worry about that. I want to be able to go and have a good time and see things and not have to be worrying about, oh, is that holding, or should I check that again? Yeah, I got enough. Not at 68. So you guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, it would be nice if you could subscribe for me. I would really appreciate it. I appreciate you guys watching my channel. Thank you so much, and have a nice day. Bye now.